What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. So right now we're in Cornwall Barracks, right? I'm just hike out the area, showing you guys what basically the singing bridge, showing you guys the cave, you understand? So I'm just explore the area so make you guys see what I go on. Also I'm showing you guys the river, you understand? So keep it locked. This is a cave. Eh? So you go far up down?
Yeah, but me go move. So fast mile. So me say down right up down.
Where one?
Yeah, till when it go more in branch off, that three branch off of that.
She bunch off?
Yeah. You know go every phone.
Eh?
But in right there when me got time me I go
Go through and go up.
through and go pass through for the car.
Yeah. Dangerous.
Hmm?
Dangerous. Eh? Cause some man living there.
What they living the dangerous than man?
Eh? There's something living there, man. This is the bridge, guys. This is called the Swinging Bridge. I'm approaching it right now. So guys, this is the bridge that the people in Cornwall Barracks use to travel to Comfort Castle and other nearby community in the Rio Grande Valley. Board. Eh?
So they go on this side, so then I want to put you out in a concrete.
Yeah, like metal.
Yeah, metal, anything. Nobody can destroy.
Coba dong di sini weh. Bong tu. Yeah. Bright sunshine now. So almost cross the bridge now. Over. So I'm showing you guys some more like surrounding. You understand?
Barracks.
Yeah.
You can still load from that side more for to check down Ackeem.
Oh. Up here, say, then come.
Yeah.
And take load from over that side.
Check from here so.
Yeah.
And the mill bank pick up first and then come on back and pick up them.
So the people in the camera box can load up here, so.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
The guy think that mother know more people that know shop the number no load again.
Oh.
Get civilized.
Civilized.
Yeah, so
Right.
the farmer we can load for no come Malaysian yard go sell.
Oh. Just bring right in the yard.
Yeah.
I mean, just deal with it.
Get your money and go back to your yard.
Oh. Yeah, man.
So this is around the valley. We are farming community.
Yeah.
All we want is saving district a road.
So I want a road.
Yeah, we don't big government no buy nothing much. That those road we want. How good.
Yeah, yeah,
So if we got road can produce in the market,
yeah.
we alright.
Yeah, man.
Guys, let me see. Sunday night about 5 or 10 so close. I think I see a amount left. Friday night, food.
Yeah.
You can make a nice money off of it.
If I planting,
Yeah.
get them support and international market.
Yeah, you get international market.
Yeah,
You can get a nice money, body can nice.
yeah.
But you buy 5 feet, $250. You buy one more cat for $1,000. Sometimes when I sell one plant, I just smoke that money you got.
True, man.
Sometimes the machine that's about $1,600. So the farmer now benefit out of the farming and so do it and promote survival.
Survival. Oh.
Everything up sky high.
You plant anything to do.
Yeah man, plant and banana.
Yeah. Alright, so you go through now. Go down the river. Yes guys, I'm out the same way now. In the evening, giving you a tour, you understand? Check out the water. Be a niceness. Yeah. The good vibes. Right now the sun kinda setting now. In the evening. Out here now. Yeah. Far up on top there. Can't cross. Yeah. Boost never enough man. Boost. Boost never enough. Yeah, so there now. Same way. Giving you guys a little tour of the area. You understand? Water look nice. Alright, so go on us now. See them fish there? Some big mullets in the water same way. I realize there's some fine bush up here now. Some fine bush. Yeah, but they're small. Them small man. Yeah. Yeah, they're fine. Yeah. I fall this. I fall. Yeah. Yeah man, can water feel colder. Colder than Grande water. Yeah. Yeah, so we're still there right now. I choose same way. I want to go by fall. Yeah. I fall this year. Yeah.
You know what the water more falling. But this you can go to your pool. And you can pick your pool up. So you come like.
Yeah.
It come like it's a long cage of sitting and look for and in a done. Now you find a pool there so. We don't go to you find a pretty pool. You go to find a pretty pool. So the place is very beautiful.
Yeah man, very beautiful, you know.
And if anybody out there is beautiful, you can have an enjoy the water. Nobody now charge you like the other country for about $600 and pay $200 for it. One now charge you to there so the water is here, everybody enjoy. Everybody like the water is very nice. If you're the first to this water, they're a nice guy. But do it right, it's one year, you're drinking. Enjoy it. Come on, everybody enjoy. Anywhere then, you can come and enjoy Cornwall and the wild nature what we got here because there's lot of things to explore. Because live at Cornwall, I'm not telling you the truth, I never explore the whole of the place. Some place we never got been to. And I feel that I'm going to travel the whole of Cornwall and Rio Grande Valley. And not this place. The water clear and white like right here now.
Yeah.
It's a sight to see. Because all there so all there so full of water to pure that.
Yes guys, so I'm still out here now. As you can see behind me right there, so the fall. Up I fall right now in a Cornwall Barracks here. I go and explore the environment same way. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, you understand. Just stay tuned as we are showing you guys the real nature of Jamaica, you understand, explore the country in Portland. So hope you guys enjoy what has been going on, you understand, in the exploration, and keep it locked as always. What time now delay? Yeah. Oh. Dry. Oh. Yeah. Say well cool.
Nice.
Yeah. Yeah man. Yeah, so there same way.
Antidote?
Antidote?
Yeah.
What that?
Something like, I'm not going to show. Something like a carcoon.
Like a whisk?
Yeah, you can use that dress coat.
Oh.
You got that coat for your foot. You must go back there.
You use it and dress it?
Yeah, you from a dry, you block the shell.
Oh.
And use a knife and create it. And apply your Vaseline to you and got it like a paste.
Yeah.
Tie it on your foot.
Yeah.
And well the foot. So and everything, everything.
Never see it.
Me have it. And everything you have found by doctor.
True man.
You got phone remedy.
It's a real remedy. Home remedy.
Yeah.
Home remedy. Yeah.
Can't look here. Everything you got to work. This is something. When they eat the leaf, eat the fruit, the leaf right here.
Strong back?
But this I put that five. That one will come out for that.
Like boil in water and sweet and sugar?
Yeah.
Sweet, huh?
Madam Faith.
Strong back.
So Madam Faith.
Madam Faith, what is this do?
I don't remember they say it's good, but they say you do some. I'm not really sure what you do. Yes,
With the boiled tea, same way with it?
No. There's something I know about. I don't nobody put the put on, so I can't
True. Like, yeah. True. The one there?
Yeah.
See it?
You strip it off.
And eat like callaloo? I never tried it.
Pick off a part and strip it. And put more pot to boil. And when it boils, let's take it up and put your pan. And put boil soup, put it calling big foot soup. Yeah.
Oh.
Pepper pot.
Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hope you guys stay tuned and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. You understand? So today here with Michael, I am the tour guide for today, right? I show you the place, you understand, the surrounding, and yeah, just hope you guys enjoy this video, and As always, make sure say you subscribe, like this video and stay tuned and keep it locked.